It's my first time in Bonaire and I love it so much because it's so relaxing, beautiful. The temperature of the water is fantastic. I'm freediving with my bathing suit. That is what I love to do because in that way you feel all the water on your skin, you feel the movement of the water. Like, it's fantastic. You are totally in the element. And the people are so awesome, and Carlos and Gabi, who organize these fantastic competitions, are the best.
How is the competition going so far for you?
For me, it's going very well. I had a good static, 555. I had three perfect deep dive days with my personal best results in no fins and in constant weight today. And they were all so relaxed. It is the most relaxing competition I ever done because of the atmosphere of the organization. You feel like at home. You feel very accepted, and Carlos and Gabi, they make everything to let you feel really well.